Are you a school principal or a decision maker who is planning to upgrade your normal classroom to digital classroom? Then these 3 points are going to be very important for you, and you must consider before upgrading your classroom. So point number 1 is budget versus value. As a school management, you look for the low cost digital board for your classroom. The problem with this board is it does not have the required features. It does not have the content, it does not have the AI capabilities, and it is not aligned with NAP 2020. So definitely you pay less while you are buying this low cost digital board, but as far as value is concerned, you are getting very low values. So it is not going to be useful for the classrooms for in the long term. Second important point overlooked by the school management is teacher readiness. Whether teachers are ready to use their digital board in the classrooms or not is very important. And here comes the role of your supplier. The supplier should have the ecosystem, after sales services, videos, trainings, on-site and off-site to ensure that teachers are comfortable using the digital board inside the classroom. And finally, what happens after installation? Actually, real games starts after installations, because the digital board we are planning or we are buying for the classroom is going to be used for 5 to 7 years, and your supplier should be there to support, give after sales services for complete 5 to 7 years, and that's going to be very important for you as a school management. So you must look into that, the supplier who is going to serve you for minimum 5 to 7 years. Here comes the role of experts like Ekin. We are providing budget-friendly digital board for your classrooms. Not only that, we have a complete ecosystem to make your teachers comfortable using digital board in the classrooms. And most importantly, we have after installation support and services to make sure the digital board can be used for next 5 to 10 years. So if you are planning to upgrade your smart class, you can connect with our team who will understand your requirement and help you upgrading same. Thank you very much.